I did change the height of this a little bit. So let me come in here and let me add several to this person here, just so that we have some extras that I can play with and scroll, because I want to show the scrolling piece as well. Okay, so that should do it. So Abigail here, Adam's here. So you'll see, here's the deal. There's not quite enough room there to show all those. So now you can go in here and you can scroll up and down on that list and actually see what all is in there if you want to see what's in there. Something that I was contemplating, but I chose not to, maybe if you guys give me some input on what you would prefer or not, is maybe going ahead and let you guys edit from here, so you can just delete off tags that you don't want. Adding and deleting in this area, you're really better off going into the individual contact record, but let me know if that's something that you guys feel strongly about one way or the other.